Hello, friends. Good evening. This is Shamal here. I'm so happy and excited today to know the first Indian who got gold medal after 74 years, an individual gold medal in a sporting event in Olympics. Tokyo Olympics 2021 to be remembered in Indian sporting event or world sporting event, one of the greatest event. And Mr. Neeraj Chopra, an Indian javelin thrower and a junior commissioned officer in Indian Army. As of August 2021, he has collected 6 gold medals in major tournaments across the world and is the first track and field athlete to win a gold medal for India in Olympics. This 2021 Olympics to be remembered in many ways in the field of hockey, both men and women, and also tennis, and also boxing, and many other events probably that is going on. And I probably this is the time has come to remember, to respect or to acknowledge those real talents who are really contributing for India, Indian sports, and various other fields. Probably we need to recognize the real talents and we need to recognize that the false worshipping we are doing it for many years. So that differentiation probably we need to bring and also invest time, energy, money for to nurture those real talents. I am going to recite and want to dedicate one of the greatest poetry that is written by Kazi Nazrul Islam. Before independence, he wrote this poetry for Indian freedom movement that is dedicated to the freedom fighters. So I personally feel Neeraj Chopra, his individual effort is not less than like, no, it is equal to a freedom fighting kind of thing what he has achieved. That is really, really amazing thing what he has achieved. Let me recite this poetry. বিদ্রোহী বলবীর বল উন্নত মম শির শির নেহারি আমারই নত শির ওই শিখর হিমাদ্রির বলবীর বল মহাবিশ্বের মহাকাশ ফাড়ি চন্দ্র সূর্য গ্রহ তারা ছাড়ি ভুলোক দুলোক গোলক ভেদিয়া খোদার আসন আসর ভেদিয়া উঠিয়াছে চিরবিস্ময় আমি বিশ্ববিধাত্রীর মম ললাটে রুদ্র ভগবান জলেরাজ রাজ টিকা দীপ্ত জয়শ্রীর বলবীর আমি চির উন্নত শির মহাবিদ্রোহীর অনক্লান্ত আমি সেই দিন হব শান্ত যবে উৎপীড়িতের ক্রন্দন রোল আকাশে বাতাসে ধ্বনিবে না অত্যাচারীর খড়গ কৃপাণ ভীম রণভূমে রণিবে না বিদ্রোহীর অনক্লান্ত আমি সেই দিন হব শান্ত আমি বিদ্রোহী ভৃগু ভগবান বুকে এঁকে দিই পদচিহ্ন আমি ষষ্ঠাসুদন শোক তাপহানা খেয়ালি বিধির বক্ষ করিব ভিন্ন আমি বিদ্রোহী ভৃগু ভগবান বুকে এঁকে দেব পদচিহ্ন আমি খেয়ালি বিধির বক্ষ করিব ভিন্ন আমি চিরবিদ্রোহী বীর বিশ্ব ছাড়াই উঠিয়াছি একা চির উন্নত শির Thank you so much for listening this poetry, and this is purely dedicated to Neeraj Chopra and the rest Indians who got individual or collective medals in different events. And this year we have so much problem and frustration because of COVID, many other issues. So This is a kind of a stress relief, probably, that is, you can see through this sporting event. What a fantastic performance. Congratulations, Mr. Neeraj Chopra and the rest athlete in hockey as well as tennis and also boxing event. So we are yet to have many medals. Possibly we are waiting and watching those games, and I feel really real freedom, probably the sense of freedom and glory, that is what it is coming to us. So this is really a kind of a moment probably one need to remember rest of their life. This is really a great thing, great achievement by individuals, and also the collective achievements is done by the greatest athlete who are already participated and who are participating the greatest event of sports, that is the Olympics 2021 Tokyo Olympics. Thanks a lot, Mr. Neeraj Chopra, for making 135 crores people in India. We are so proud of you. We are so proud of Indian Army. So it's a great moment for Indian Army too, and for their dedication and hard work to protect our nation. So once again, thank you very much for hearing this small poetry from my side. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.